Get affordable carpet and hardwood floor installation with this Houston expert. The specialist installation team at Houston Flooring Warehouse can help you every step of the way with any floor project need. They offer installation on a wide range of flooring options, from hardwood through to laminate and carpets. So whatever your floor project needs, you can rely on Houston Flooring Warehouse to help. Get in touch today to see how they can help make your project a reality. Contact us at contact@houstonflooringwarehouse.com.